Hi friends, I am Gaurav Khosla and we are doing this product, Bajo Tierra as we pronounce it. It is a wonderful product. A lot of my good friends who are also architects and interiors, they've been trying the product and they have come up with a wonderful response. All those customers whom they are catering as interior or maybe the designer, they are happy to use this with their furniture or furnishing or whatever decor they are doing. This as a product is actually a game changer. Unlike those conventional stones which people have been using, which don't offer you such variety, or if they offer you variety, the price is exorbitant. So this product is designed. It is just not a production, it is a design production. It is basically to enhance your decor. This product offers you a lot of variety. Look at the gauge of the product. It has a very good finish. Plus this is scratch resistant, heat resistant. And these are a few things which I am talking about. Even the gauge of the product is very nice. Plus, for people who've been using these, they have come up, it's been around a year that we've been selling this product. End users also, they have started pouring in, asking for products of this quality. We are offering new products. If you ask me, I have been receiving every few days the company guy comes with a new sample. So they have a lot of innovation. When I talk about this kind of portfolio, I always feel that this is totally a designer product. I am happy to sell it.